Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best cheap sofas and couches that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Serta RTA Copenhagen Collection 61 inches Loveseat in Marzipan, small couch. Serta RTA Copenhagen Collection 61 inches Loveseat in Marzipan is designed specifically for small rooms. Nevertheless, you can use it in any room, apartment, dorm, etc. This set will give you more than enough support. It boasts of high-grade fabric, high-density foam pocketed coils, top-tier polyester fiber, and strong hardwood frame. This adds to the comfort, durability, and sturdiness of this set. The set also includes an ultra-wide back straps. The set also includes extra comfortable pillows, all that make it more comfortable. Notably, it has softly rounded arms and plush fabric to give it the exceptional look that matches with any design. The set list compact, therefore it's easy to transport. It has a slight smell that fades with time. More importantly, the couch is very easy to put together. It includes assembling tools and instructions. You comfortably invest your penny here. It serves the purpose. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Flash Furniture Signature Design by Ashley Darcy sofa in Cobblestone Microfiber. This suits you if all you need is a beautiful couch. It is designed with a flared frame and pillow top armrests in a cool cobblestone gray. Now, it has resilient foam cushions that are wrapped up in a polyester upholstery to bring about the desired comfort. It has a sturdy corner blocked frame that adds to the sturdiness. Also, the feet are in a faux wood finish. It has an impressive gray color that matches any decor. It measures 89 inches W by 39 inches D by 40 inches H, thus large enough to accommodate you together with your family, friends. More importantly, it arrives fully assembled. This saves you the agony of having to assemble the set. At number 3, we have the Coaster Samuel Collection Cream Leather Sofa. You can't talk about this sofa without talking about its impressive design, durability, and comfort. If you ever needed a comfortable chair, then move fast and get yourself Coaster Samuel Collection Cream Leather Sofa. You will love it. This 3-seater sofa has clean lines and great cushions. The cushions are attached to the seat and at the back. It is made from leather, and that definitely is a sure bet that it's durable. It also features tufted back and seats that definitely adds to its impressive look. More importantly, it has a spring base that gives it the required comfort and durability. Its wood frame makes it very sturdy. The long and the short of it is that this sofa is extraordinary in every aspect. You may or may not agree with this, but the only way you can appreciate this is to buy and try it. At number 2, we have the Coaster Home Furnishings Casual Motion Sofa, Brown Siege, Brown Sectional Couch Cheap. This set is upholstered in a plush and comfortable textured padded velvet. This gives it the incredible comfort that it's loved for. Again, it supports chaise-style seating for adequate comfort. Moreover, the sinus spring base adds to the comfort and durability. Additionally, the sofa has hardwood frames that add to its sturdiness and durability. The sofa has cushions on both the seat and the back. Yet still, the sofa can move from a sitting position to a reclined position easily. That said, just to repeat, the sofa is very soft and gives exceptional comfort. And finally, at number 1, we have the Carolina Light Gray Fabric Sectional Sofa, Large Gray Sectional Sofa. Carolina Light Gray Fabric Sectional Sofa is celebrated for its stunning comfort and impressive design. It has a modular design that allows for several arrangement options to suit your needs. The set features soft fabric and pushes cushions to bring about the desired comfort. More importantly, it's of a good size to accommodate you together with the family of friends. Depending on the available space and your desired shape, you can mix and match the I-seats to create an impressive shape. It's highly recommended for those with small rooms and needs a couch. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.